Happy Monday, everybody. It's Dr. Matt with Full Potential Chiropractic. Tomorrow night is the night. It's our Omega-3 workshop. So, past videos, we've gone over the importance. What are they? Why are they important? What do you need to do? What's benefits? What deficiencies? All that good stuff. So, like at the beginning of them, I told you I was the poster child of having way out of balance omega-6s, 3s, 9s, all of them. So, I got my blood test done. And when it came back, and I'll give you the ranges too, and I'll just go over, I mean, this one came with a whole bunch of stuff here, and I don't know if you can see them, probably not, but I'll read the major ones off to you, but they are extremely low. I'll give you mine, and then I'll give you the percentage. So ALA, which is a very important one if you remember, I was a 16, that range should be 13 out of 80, so barely there. EPA, right, we were talking about EPA. Mine was a 6. It should be the range is 5 and 210. So anywhere from 5 and 210, and I was a 6. So that was terrible. DHA, I was 23, and the range is anywhere from 31 to 213. So you can see I'm not in the ballpark there. Linoleic acid, I was an 845. The range should be 821 to 2032. And it goes on and on, you guys. You guys can see mine, if you want to come in the office, happy to share them with you. I think the important thing to understand is no matter how much you work out, no matter how much you try to eat right and do the right things, the scary part was I felt okay, right? I felt good. I just went in because I get my yearly blood test taken. These I'll get here probably next month or so again. To double check and see how my ranges are, but it's obviously a work in progress. I didn't notice brain fog. I didn't notice big allergy issues. I didn't notice any heart issues, eye issues, anything like that. But you can see I am not even close to being in the right ranges. So that is so important why you check right now, you guys. Your normal blood tests are not going to cover this. I promise you that. If you just go in for your yearly physical, they won't get that stuff. You can ask them, and I can't, tell you enough, right? Get extra blood tests if you can. You'll have to pay a little bit more, I'm sure, and they'll be out of pocket. But, I mean, in the long run, this is what true health looks like as far as how well things are working. It's not just based off your cholesterol and high blood pressure and triglycerides and all that stuff. That stuff's important. But, again, these are the founding blocks of everything else. And if this isn't working, nothing else is working. So I urge you guys to get to this workshop tonight or on Tuesday, 6:15. Get in there. Take advantage of getting that blood test taken. It's a drop of blood to really know your ratios are, to really get that under control. Have a great day, everybody.